On a cheerful note, a lot of people ask me why do I always look for the planter peanuts kind of container. Now I know also check cashews and other containers because it's the plastic. And the reason why I know my glues and silicates. Now inside there's a marker ring. You can put a piece of silicone padding in here and you have a waterproof little jug. And it'll hold that much water. Okay? You can see that. That's milliliters, 700 milliliters, which it will hold. Also, it's a good food container because the plastic's food grade. A lot of people don't learn that in school. Uncle Alan has little tricks, and tonight you're going to learn something. Okay, please check out all these people right here and the people right here. Okay. Now, I hope you did see those people. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. I have to double check because Uncle Alan's eye still hurts like hell and I don't feel so good. Now, Cheryl Hurst did a video. Go check her videos and help her out. You know, say Uncle Alan sent you over there. Now, in those Ozark frying pan cooking kits, I really let them have it in Chinese and in English about this. What the hell is this? Okay, has the lid. Okay, I have no idea. This is not a cooking pot. Okay, this looks like a toy. Okay, that the kids play at my Bible school. Okay, if you're 4 to 6 going to Bible school, not if you're going to camping outside. That's a joke. No, a good camping one is this one. Okay, it has a multi-purpose lid. Now you look at this one and that one. This will hold a quart of water. How much water do you think this will hold? A joke. So I let them have it, that 5-piece, God, who knows what the hell that was. The only problem is I keep forgetting to have locking lugs on this one. See, it's have locking lugs, so you don't lose it. So this is nice. It turns into a little skillet, or you can cover it, and it works fairly well. Okay. Wish I had a better camera. And also, I wish I had both eyes working. This works really good. I tested it. I always carry a plastic mug, and this will hold a quart of water. Okay, and it does have a locking lug. And this has been field tested because it's a little bit burned on the bottom, but it all fits together quite nicely. So I have no problem. Not like this piece of, I don't know what, toy. All right. Again, look at the size difference. That's why I put it in the back. It keeps dropping. Okay. Big difference. This is more of a shiny toy. This is a real cooking thing. So if you ever get one of those cook kits, don't. It's more like, yeah, we cook stuff. I don't think you really cook stuff with a pot. Get a real pot. Okay, and a real cup. Ugh. Okay. Don't forget, you want to start off with a breakfast meal. You can put it in a Ziploc bag. Easiest pie, doesn't cost that much money. What do you eat for breakfast? Okay, you want breakfast, a hot drink, a cold drink, maybe a vitamin drink, and a snack. All right, easiest pie. You get one of these in orange, there's your cold drink. Lunch is the same. You want something, You can mix water or you can eat it right there, a lunch. Ideally, you want breakfast, a hot meal, like oatmeal, grits, something hot. Lunch, you could have a soup. You could have a hot drink, a snack, and bars. Okay, it could be a protein bar, fruit bar, whatever. You'll have dinner. It could be a soup, or it could be a stew, or it could be beans, or whatever. A hot drink, coffee, tea, your choice, and a side dish. All right. What I mean by side dish is something full of calories and a snack. All right. Now, a side dish also could be vegetables. A lot of people don't know how to cook, and this is a simple 3-day, 72 hours do-it-yourself foods. And I will get down to this because people don't know how to budget and create healthy meals. This is why I make the Alien UFO Weird Thoughts playlist, also the food and cooking playlist, because nobody ever listens to me. So anyway, you work your way up to 7-day, 14-day, month, 3 months, 6 months. Remember, 12 gallons of water, that's 1 gallon per person. For 3 days, 4 people. Okay, so if you have a 3-day supply, how many gallons of water? That's 3 gallons per person. Per person, remember that. Okay? Oh, getting too old. All right, and I'll be right back, and I got some more stuff.